Hi guys, so you know how when you go to like export your Webtoon and you want to resize it, so you go to like, where is it? Here, and you resize it that way? Well, you can actually resize it during the export during the export portion. So you don't have to like accidentally resize it down too small and like I did, and it was shrunk, and it's like, no, it's going to be blurry because I need it bigger when I want to print it. But anyways, let me show you how you can resize your image during the export instead of actually resizing the main image, like the main draft. What's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. The original file. So this is Clip Studio Paint EX. You just go to here, export, I do it as JPEG, click save. Then I click this, and I drop down to 800. Then boom,